Which toxic plants should be cautiously cultivated? Did you know that many flowering plants in gardens are toxic? Today, I'll tell you. The first is the hydrangea. The entire plant is toxic, especially the leaves and stems, and contact with its sap can cause skin allergies. Eating the stems and leaves can have more severe effects. The second is foxglove. Foxglove contains cardiac glycosides, which can be lethal to both humans and pets at high doses. The third is tulip. Tulips contain toxic alkaloids, and spending a few hours among tulip flowers can cause poisoning symptoms. The fourth is lily of the valley. The entire plant is toxic, with the leaves and stems containing convalatoxin and convalamarin. The fifth is buttercup. All plants in the buttercup family are toxic. Its flowers and roots contain protoanemone and anemone. The sixth is delphinium. The whole plant is toxic, especially the seeds, which contain alkaloids that can cause neurological poisoning if ingested. The seventh is lantana. Lantana is a well-known toxic plant. All parts of it, from roots to leaves to flowers and fruit, are poisonous. The eighth is oleander. The entire plant is toxic. Its branches and leaves are highly toxic, and even a small amount of contact can cause poisoning. Ninth is datura. All parts of the plant, roots, stems, fruits, and seeds, are highly toxic. These toxic plants are just the tip of the iceberg. If growing them at home, research carefully and inform children that some beautiful flowers are poisonous. Admire them from a distance, but avoid touching. I'm Grace, guiding you through flower bed design.